In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to send bulk emails inside of Freshsales. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Freshsales like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go over to the menu and go over to contacts. Then from here, you need to find all of the people you want to send these bulk mails to. Let's just say I want to send it to Test. I wanted to send it to Nick. And I wanted to send it to Heather. Then from here, when you selected all the people, you need to go over to bulk email, like so. And here you can go over and see from, that should be you. You can see that it is a reply to, and you can see to, there's 3 recipient. You can also enter recipient manually, and you can add them as CC over here if you want to do that. Over here, you need to write in the test subject, and then you can write in your email. You can use templates if you want to do that, or create a new one if you want to do that. You can also insert fields if you want to add a full name, email address, first name, last name, account, and etc, etc, etc. Then from here, you can also attach files if you want to do that. You can add an email signature, like your job title. You can add track this email, and you can add unsubscribe link if you want to do that. Then from here, you can click personalize. And then from here, you can select to each people. You can edit it if you want to do that. And when you're done, you simply need to click next and then send, like so. And as you can see, success, you sent the bulk mail to 3 contacts. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!